Introducing SCX Allocation Maximizer, the AI-powered solution that turns supply constraints into optimized allocation decisions across your entire customer base. Built on reinforcement learning technology, the Allocation Maximizer continuously evaluates real-time inventory, customer priorities, demand urgency, and risk scores to automatically distribute constrained supply across competing requests, operating in both fully automated and interactive review modes. Now let's see the Allocation Maximizer in action. We start with a reallocation run, where we redeploy allocations in a light of actual customer demands and orders, selecting the month of October and the year of 2026 as our planning period while choosing fair share allocation for equal distribution across customers. We also include all customers, products, and distribution centers to ensure comprehensive coverage for the chosen month. Now, let's run the allocation engine. This plan becomes the foundation for all fulfillment decisions arising from the booking of actual orders. The plan can be published directly to your ERP system. The system generates our initial allocation plan with all the needed data, but notice the optimization opportunities. Microtech, high-priority customer, generating $45 revenue per unit, is currently allocated only 400 units of high enterprise SSDs. However, looking at their consumption pattern, they've already used 200 units, 50% utilization, and their demand forecast shows strong growth. Meanwhile, other customers like Tech Giant is showing lower consumption rates relative to their allocations. The AI identifies this imbalance. High-performing customers like Microtech are under-allocated, while others have excess inventory sitting unused. This is exactly the scenario where the Allocation Maximizer adds value. Let's run a reallocation to optimize these distributions. After the reallocation run, see the improvement. Microtech's allocation increased from 400 to 600 units, a 50% increase that better matches their demonstrated demand and strategic importance. The system reallocated inventory from customers with lower consumption rates, such as Tech Giant, to maximize overall efficiency. This optimization ensures our top-performing customers have adequate supply while maintaining fairness across the portfolio. Here you can see the complete transparency and intelligence behind our reallocation run. Starting with the latest allocation updates, Microtech received a significant 200-unit increase from 400 to 600 units, representing a 50% boost to better serve their growing demand. Tech Giant experienced a 150-unit reduction from 400 to 250 units, while Datacore had a smaller 50-unit decrease from 200 to 150 units. The allocation impact analysis reveals the data-driven reasoning behind these decisions. Microtech, currently in ordering status, shows exceptional performance with a plus 25% improvement in allocation versus consumption efficiency and plus 15% regional demand growth, maintaining their level 2 priority with $40 revenue per unit. This strong consumption pattern and demand trajectory justified increasing their allocation. Tech Giant Inc., marked as reallocating, demonstrates why inventory was moved away from them. They show a concerning 21% allocation efficiency and 25% regional demand decline. Despite maintaining level 3 priority, their poor utilization made them a candidate for reallocation. At the end, the comprehensive summary at the bottom validates our optimization. Total allocations of 3,190 units with 1,555 currently consumed represent a healthy 49% consumption rate, generating $2,413 in total revenue. This balanced approach ensures we're maximizing utilization while maintaining strategic customer relationships and revenue performance across our entire portfolio. Now, let's examine the sophisticated forecasting capabilities that drove our Microtech allocation decision. The system employs multiple AI models, including ARIMA, Monte Carlo simulation, Markov decision processes, and deep Q networks to predict customer demand patterns. For Microtech, we see their historical consumption data on the left side of the current month marker, showing demand fluctuations from 100 to 140 units through June and July. The real insight comes from the forecast period on the right. All models converge to show Microtech's demand recovering and growing significantly, reaching 180 units by mid-August. The selected ARIMA model, using 8 weeks of historical data plus 4 weeks of forward prediction, indicates a strong upward trajectory from the current week of August 4th. This explains why our reallocation algorithm increased Microtech's allocation from 400 to 600 units. The AI recognized their consumption was about to accelerate significantly. Having multiple forecasting models provides confidence in our predictions and ensures allocation decisions are based on robust statistical analysis rather than simple historical averages. This is how the Allocation Maximizer anticipates demand changes before they happen. Finally, let's see how these AI-driven allocation decisions get implemented across the business. The Publish to ERP button seamlessly integrates our optimized allocation plan directly into enterprise systems, ensuring that sales teams, warehouse operations, and financial planning all work from the same intelligent allocation strategy. This single-click integration transforms sophisticated AI analysis into operational reality, automatically updating inventory reservations, customer allocation limits, and fulfillment priorities across the entire supply chain. This closes the loop from AI insight to business execution, ensuring our optimization decisions drive real operational improvements. The SCX Allocation Maximizer represents a fundamental shift from reactive to proactive supply chain management. By combining reinforcement learning with real-time data processing, the module continuously learns and adapts allocation strategies to maximize business outcomes. It transforms complex supply constraints into intelligent opportunities, balancing customer priorities, revenue optimization, and operational efficiency in real time. The module's conversational AI interface democratizes sophisticated allocation decisions, allowing planners to interact naturally with complex algorithms while maintaining full transparency and control. From strategic monthly planning to split-second order fulfillment decisions, the Allocation Maximizer ensures every allocation choice is data-driven, explainable, and optimized for your business objectives. This is supply chain intelligence evolved, where artificial intelligence amplifies human decision-making to create more resilient, profitable, and customer-focused allocation strategies. Join us in turning supply chain chaos into confidence. Visit Seeloz.com and take the first step towards precision.